So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to set up a programming environment for this tutorial series in Windows 10. I also made the same video but for Debian-based Linux distributions, so if that's what you're looking for, just click the info card here or click the link in the description. So we're going to start by opening up a web browser and going to the official Python website at python.org. Once you're there, hover over Downloads, click Windows, scroll down to the bottom and click Windows x86-64 Executable Installer. Run the installer, check the Add Python to Path checkbox, click Install Now, wait a bit, and click Disable Path Length Limit. Now open the command prompt, type pip install user Pyglet, and update pip if you want by typing python m pip install upgrade pip. To test the installation, type in Python, then import Pyglet, and you shouldn't get any errors. Now I'm going to show you how to install Geany, the editor that I'll use for this series. You can of course use any text editor you want, but I like Geany quite a bit, so that's what I'll use. Just search Geany downloads and click geanysetup.exe. Run it, click next, click I agree, click next, click install, click finished, and that's Geany installed. Now I'm just going to create my project folder, open Geany, save the file as main.py in our previously created project folder, press F5, and sweet mother of Christ it works. Thanks for watching and see you next time, bye.